Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel MSc Zoology 4th semester first paper Neurophysiology and General Physiology. Topic: Histology, structure of nervous tissue, neurons and neuroglia. Introduction. The nervous system is a fundamental component of animal biology, responsible for coordinating and controlling various physiological functions. Nervous tissue. The structural and functional unit of this system consists of specialized cells that enable communication and integration of body activities. This essay explores the histological structure of nervous tissue, focusing on neurons and neuroglia, their characteristics, function, and significance, providing a comprehensive understanding. Definition of nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is a specialized type of tissue that forms the primary component of the nervous system, comprising the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerve. It is designed for reception, transmission, and processing of information through electrical and chemical signals. Nervous tissue is broadly categorized into two types. First, neurons. Second, neuroglia. Neurons, the primary signaling unit of the nervous system, and neuroglia, supporting cells that provide structural and functional support to neurons. Component of nervous tissue. First, neurons. Second, neuroglia. Neurons, also known as nerve cells, are highly specialized cells designed for signal transmission. Each neuron has three main structural components. First, cell body. Second, dendrites. Third, axon. First, cell body. It is also called soma. Soma contains the nucleus and other organelles like the Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for maintaining the metabolic activity of the neurons. Dendrites. Dendrites are short, branched structures that receive signal from other neurons or sensory receptors. They conduct impulse towards the cell body. Axon. It is long, slender projection that carries impulse away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Axons are often covered by a myelin sheath, which enhances signal transmissions. And second, neuroglia. It is also called a glial cell. Neuroglia are non-neural cells that play a crucial role in supporting and protecting neurons. They are more numerous than neurons and perform various functions such as astrocytes, oligodendroid, dendrocytes, Schwann cell, microglia, ependymal cells, and satellite cells. First, astrocytes. It is star-shaped cells found in the central nervous system, and they maintain the blood-brain barrier and regulate nutrient supply. Second, oligodendrocytes found in the CNS. They produce myelin, a lipid-rich sheath that insulates axons. Third, Schwann cell, located in the peripheral nervous system. These cells also produce myelin. Microglia act as immune cells within the CNS, removing debris and pathogens. Ependymal cells line the ventricles of the brain and the central canals of spinal cord, producing and circulating the cerebrospinal fluid. Satellite cell found in the PNS. These cells provide support and nutrition to neuron cell bodies. Histological structure of nervous tissue. The nervous tissue structure is adapted to its primary function of communications. It consists of densely packed neurons and neuroglial cells arranged in specific pattern depending on the location. First, gray matter, second, white matter. Third, peripheral nerve. Gray matter, found in the CNS, it contains neurons, cell bodies, dendrites, and unmyelinated axons. It is involved in processing and integrating information. White matter, composed primarily of myelinated axons. It is responsible for transmitting signals over long distance. Peripheral nerve, bundle of axon enclosed in connective tissue layers. Epineurium, perineurium, and endoneurium. This nerve transmits signal between the CNS and the rest of the body. Functions of neurons: signal transmission, integration of information, effector activation, sensory processing, learning and memory. First, signal transmission. Neurons generate and propagate action potentials, facilitating communication within the nervous system. Second, integration of information. Dendrites and soma integrate incoming signal to determine the neuron's response. Effector activation. Neuron transmits signal to muscles and glands, triggering specific action like movement or secretions. Sensory processing. Sensory neurons detect stimuli and relay information to the CNS for interpretations. Learning and memory. Neuron form synaptic connections that underline cognitive processes such as memory and learning. Functions of neuroglia. Structural supports, insulations, nutrient supply, immune defense, regulations of synaptic activity, production of CSF. First, structural support. Glial cells provide a scaffolding for neurons, maintain the integrity of nervous tissue. Second, insulation. Myelin producing glial cells, oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells ensure rapid signal conductions. Nutrient supply. Astrocytes regulate the transport of nutrient and waste product between neurons and blood vessels. Fourth, immune defense. Microglia protect the nervous system from infection and injury. Fifth, regulation of synaptic activity. Astrocytes help modulate neurotransmitter levels and synaptic transmissions. Production of CSF. Ependymal cells play a key role in producing cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions and protects the CNS. Importance of nervous tissue. Coordination of functions. Nervous tissue ensure coordinated response to internal and external stimuli. Second, evolutionary significance. The complexity of the nervous system reflects the evolutionary advancement of animal. Third, adaptation and survival. Nervous tissue enable behavior that improve survival, such as predator avoidance and foraging. Basis of research. Studying nervous tissue provide insights into neuroglial disease and potential treatments. Conclusions. The histological structure of nervous tissue comprising neurons and neuroglia, highlights in specialization of communication and integrations. Neuron functions as a core signaling unit, while neuroglia provide critical supports and protection. Understanding the organization and roles of this component depends our knowledge of animal physiology and underscores the importance of the nervous system, survival and adaptations. This foundational knowledge serves as a basis for advanced research in zoology and related fields. References: